Hello kids, let's learn some easy English sentences. Let's start. Let's go. Repeat with me. Let's go. I am thirsty. Repeat with me. I am thirsty. Please give me. Repeat with me. Please give me. This is water. Repeat with me. This is water. I am hungry. Repeat with me. I am hungry. Let's play look, think or speak. Look at the picture. What does the child say? Yes, I am hungry. Repeat with me. I am hungry. Look at the picture. What does the child say? Yes, I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Look at the picture. What does the child say? Yes, please give me. Please give me. Look at the picture. What is this? Yes, this is water.